What do you think कि future क्या है as of stock market का?
Very good future, excellent future.
Can people still start this as a profession?
Why not?
कि ये बहुत
I
high हो
started
गया है.
at 47. If I can do it at 47, why can't you do it?
But even now, being the Nifty is being at all-time highs, Sensex is being,
How does it
you can
matter?
still make money
How
out of
does
it.
it matter? Why put a ceiling? Sky is the limit.
And still can grow as long
Of
as you
course.
follow the right routes.
Absolutely. Control your risk. Take a heaven edge and think long term you'll make money. What's wrong in that? आज मार्केट आप बैठ के 10 साल के बाद देखो मार्केट कहाँ है एंड दैट्स द बेस्ट प्लेस टू आप स्टॉक एफडीज में कितना मिल जाएगा 7-8-9%.
Hardly.
Here sky is the limit. Sky is the limit. Safe place to be. If you stay invested for long term, good A class stocks among the top Nifty 50, dividend paying company and growing company, आप how can you go wrong? Momentarily नीचे आ सकता है,
हाँ. Just for the
but
time
it will go up because it's dividend paying companies, growing companies. How can you fraud? Momentarily आपके खरीदने का नीचे आ सकता है, that's possible. लेकिन after 2 years will be up because growing company.
And here we are talking about a long time investment.
Absolutely. अगर आपको नहीं आता है तो stay long term. आता है तो short term.
Short term.
मैं intraday करता हूँ.
आप intraday करते हैं. You're a master of intraday at all times. Okay.
I know I can do it.
Cool. Alright.
It's like this. आपको Fiat गाड़ी चलानी है और वही कंपनी Formula 1 भी गाड़ी बनाती है.
Absolutely.
मैं नहीं चला सकता Formula 1. वो अलग स्किल है, ये स्किल अलग है. लेकिन आप Fiat तो चला सकते हैं ना.
But you're a Formula 1 driver for the stock trading, right?
Yes.
Trade market, you can say.
I'm not humble. I'm saying.
Absolutely.
आप उसको arrogance बोलेंगे, your problem.
No, I think I call it confidence. Because I've seen your work. I know how wonderful. I've seen how many people follow you and the way you are. So definitely, I don't think I'll call that arrogance. I'll definitely call that confidence that you have been through the journey of life that you have taught you so many things at that point of time.
Thanks.
What's your thought process के Indian financial market का future कैसे लग रहा है so far आपको?
Superb. India is the best country to be in. We are already at 4 trillion economy. पहले 3 थे 4 हो गए. In 2026 में शायद we'll become number 3 economy in the world.
What is your thought process in terms of having American economy, and are we too much behind financially?
We are number 3. Look at Europe. We are bigger than Europe. All Europe put together. Once upon a time, British ruled the world. Sun never set on the British Empire. Where is the British Empire today?
Yeah, the sun never rises on them.
We are India. अभी हम लोग को लूटने सभी लोग आए. सबने लूटने को आए. Everyone came to India to loot India because India was something.
सोने की चिड़िया जो बोलते हैं.
दूध की नदियां बहती थी. Why would they come to? Why would anyone not go to Iraq to loot? वहीं से जब यहाँ लूट करने को क्यों आए? ये लूट करने को आए ना. ब्रिटिश भी लूट करने आए ना. मुगल्स भी तो लूट करने आए ना. They came to loot India because India was something. अगर आपके पास कुछ नहीं है तो कहाँ से लूट करें? आज भी हमारे पास जो रिसोर्स है is amazing. Look at mathematics, Ramanujan.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, उनकी mathematics amazing. मैं आपको एक बताता हूँ. हम एक सीरीज बोलते हैं Fibonacci series, mathematics by the name of Italian mathematician.
Okay.
Fibonacci. वो एक नेचुरल सीरीज है. शायद आपको पता नहीं है, नेचुरल सीरीज है. वो हमारे शास्त्रों में है.
Okay.
शास्त्रों में मैंने उस पर काफी रिसर्च किया है. I met the professor, IIT professor in Sanskrit. शास्त्रों में है. They have taken away from पाई का जो फॉर्मूला है 3.14. पाई का जो फॉर्मूला लिबिनिस ने किया. आप चले जाए साउथ में, हमारे ऑल्टर्स बने. द स्क्वायर एंड द सर्कल एंड द ट्राइंगल इज देयर. दे न्यू द फॉर्मूला ऑफ पाई
way before.
Much before. In the every household if you go in south is there. So Leibniz को बोलते हैं. ये famous known है. Leibniz is the guy known for pi formula. Nonsense. यहाँ पर go into city south में आप every village you go there, they make it there. वो कहाँ से बना है? And there is there in the Shastras. मैंने इस पर रिसर्च किया हुआ. Is there. तो हम तो है हमारे पास. हमारे फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडिया इज अमेजिंग. अनलेस अभी मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूँ, मैंने हरीश साल्वे को सुना.
Okay.
बोला we doing a lot of research on hydrogen bomb.
Yeah, correct.
We are much ahead in hydrogen bomb.
Indeed, yes.
Which the world doesn't want us to do. That's energy. They are after India only because of this. पहले 10 साल 12 साल पहले में डिफेंस में हम कहाँ थे? Where were you in defense? We were only importing.
Yeah, exactly.
Today we are exporting. We are making our own aircrafts, our own rockets. Who's done this? Modi. And let's take it. This present dispensation has done three things. Very clear. The world is against us for three things. We are not buying arms from them. Reduce the arm dependence. Oil we buy from Russia.
Hmm.
We are not buying from them. That the Americans don't like.
Yeah, indeed.
Vaccine we did not buy a single dose. The pharma lobby is against it. All these three lobbies are against it. Some people are not going to like this. Their problem, deal with it.
So you're saying the Indian economy is definitely going to boom.
100%.
So why
My
is it?
time to be in India.
Yeah. So what's the reason कि आजकल जो हमारी youth है बहुत सारे other countries में move out हो रहे हैं? What could be that reason?
They started long back, the drain. The drain started long back. यहाँ पर opportunities नहीं थे. आज वो लोग जा रहे हैं. I'm surprised why they are going. Maybe because they like that, पहले हम जाते थे वो गाड़ियाँ अच्छी है, टोयोटा गाड़ी चलाएंगे. आजकल नहीं मिलता था. I remember asking my uncle and aunt, which car do you drive? तो Toyota. Wow, Toyota. तो आज यहीं पर टोयोटा मिलता है.
Yeah, exactly.
उस समय नहीं था जब वो कहते हैं. आज तो है यहाँ पर. You're buying a Mercedes.
Absolutely. I think we have some of the most nicest and
Lovely
high-end
cars
cars.
here. ये ना लोकल हमारी महिंद्रा की जो थार है, सब with pride made
The
in India.
most beautiful car. Absolutely.
With
Pati
pride
smile,
made
you
in
can see
India.
Pati
It's an Indian
smile
car.
already.
जो मैं खुद चलाता हूँ. It's lovely car. मजा आता है चलाने को. तो अब उधर जाने की जरूरत क्या है? पैसा ही कमाना है, खाते तो 150 ग्राम है.
Absolutely. So Indian economy is definitely booming. The kids who are going outside of India, think about it. हम यहाँ पर अभी grow हो ही रहे हैं, होने ही वाले हैं. And you think the stock market is still there and is going to always be there and make you money as long as you believe in yourself and you follow the right techniques.
Absolutely 100%. 100%.
Great.
The future is good for India. I have faith in India. Full faith in India. Full faith in my India.